Data analyst versus data scientist, key differences. Hey everyone, you're watching Sprintzeal channel where you'll enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Introduction. Data science and data analytics both work with big data. With the constant increase in data collection over the years, it has become necessary to analyze them and draw meaningful conclusions. So, it helps various industries manage their data and make accurate decisions according to the said data. The profession of the data scientist is in demand, and the trade of data analysis comes next to that. Therefore, based on the market alone, it is wise to start a career in these two professions. Data science versus data analytics. Definition. Data science. It is the study of data to extract meaningful insights for the better working of different industrial processes. It is multidisciplinary, therefore, it works on the practices and principles of various disciplines like mathematics, statistics, and artificial intelligence to analyze large amounts of data. Data analytics. It is a subset of data science and involves analyzing large sets of data and finding the trends to conclude the information they contain. Data analytics requires the help of various specialized softwares and tools. Difference between data analyst and data scientist. Data analyst tries to make sense of the data and find answers to given questions, while data scientist tries to explore unstructured data sets to find a brand new question that would change how people look at the problems. Data scientists mostly start their careers as data analysts. It requires more experience and skill to become a data scientist than a data analyst. Data scientists and data analysts work together in an organization. Data scientists develop new ways to deal with data, which, in turn, is utilized by data analysts to conclude their findings and report them to the decision makers of their organization. What is the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist? The critical difference between the two would be that being a data scientist is a more challenging job and requires more knowledge in different disciplines like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and programming. Career. Data analyst versus data scientist. The person who wants to start their career as a data scientist or as a data analyst should have a bachelor's degree certificate in their chosen fields that focus on the following skills. Data analyst hard skills: data warehousing and analytics, predictive modeling, data mining, data visualization tools. Data scientist hard skills: computer science, programming languages, data modeling and visualization, statistics. Both professions promise a high salary to the professionals, as both fall under the high demand category, based on the job market. The salary for a data scientist is the highest in IT jobs, but it does not mean that data analysts are not paid well. Data analyst, the average salary range is from $54,132 to $72,323 per year. And for a mid-level data scientist, the average salary ranges from $130,000 to $195,000 per year. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.